this is Beauty by Amma here. I am back again with another video. In today's video, I'll be making Lightening carrot body wash with 2 active lightening powders. To make this, let me show you the ingredient I'll be using first. I'll be using carrots. I'll be extracting the juice from the carrots. We all know that carrot juice provides vitamin C and beta-carotene. It's an antioxidant that protects the skin from radical damages. Next is Dove soap, which is my soap base. Next is my active powder, Niacinamide. Next is Licorice powder. Next is lactic acid. Next is rose water. Next is vegetable glycerin and any essential oil of your choice, and then a container to pour the body wash in. So let's get started. First, I will cut my carrots into pieces. Transfer the carrot inside a blender. Blend it with rose water. Blend it all together. Now I sieve the carrot juice out. I have sieved out 300 ml of carrot juice, and then I will set it aside. Now, soap base. I will grate my bar soap. Now get my slow cooker, add in the carrot juice. I will sieve it again in case of any particles in the juice. Now the juice is warm. I will add my grated soap in. And then stir them thoroughly till it has settled in to the juice. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of licorice powder and mix. Next, I am adding 1 tablespoon of niacinamide powder and mix properly. Now I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin and mix. Next is 1 tablespoon of lactic acid and mix thoroughly. Then finally, I will add 1 ml of essential oil, then mix again. I will not be adding any preservative because it's my personal use, but generally, preservatives will be needed. So I will leave it for 2 hours. So here is the carrot body wash. I'll be transferring it in the plastic bottle. This body wash is good for your skin, lightening up your skin effectively and will give your skin instant glow. So thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.